Let's talk about XLM. Its full name is Stellar, the only challenger to XRP and its legacy. It's sitting at 46 cents right now, 46.45. And we have seen some really nice rally today with all these green dildos. It was under a downward trend. Finally, it started giving a breakout. So things are really nice. I have talked about XLM previously as well. Of course, this is not my first time covering it. I cover it pretty quite often, and I mean, it is one of those coins that are doing really well. The reason for, before I go to the chart and talk about its targets and everything, the reason for XLM's success is that when we talk about cross-border payments, XRP is famous for it, but XLM has some really decent market share as well. And it's not just XRP making an attempt towards it. There is a whole space of crypto. There is non-crypto space. I'll not talk about that. But in crypto space, USDT, USDC, XRP, XLM, and CDCs, and so many other projects out there. They all are making their attempts to be relevant when we talk about all kinds of payments, and not just cross-border payments. Cross-border, I think that is CDCs, CBDCs, sorry, not CDCs, CBDCs, XLM and XRP, they are pretty much the leaders in capturing that space. But when we talk about organizational payments and settlements of stuff, that is where you talk about USDC, USDT, and other players that are coming into the market. So XLM has a really decent market share when we talk about cross-border payments and the overall expansion of it. That is why this coin has such kind of stable pricing, and it is making its attempts to go back towards the prices that we have seen in 2024. And of course, it is trying to stay relevant towards its 2021 prices, because in 2021 it went up to 79.8 cents, almost 80 cents. In 2024 it made an attempt towards 63.7 cents. So right now it is turning more and more bullish. And last time when I talked about it, I talked about this cup and handle structure on weekly, and I told you that how much of potential this coin has. You can go and search my XLM video. It actually got a good amount of views as well. You can go and watch that. But right now, I'm just going to talk about the short term, not the long term perspective. On short term, when we talk about XLM, just a second. We can look at this chart. Sorry. It was another downward trend, as I already showed you, and over here it started giving a breakout. I mean, it did give a breakout here. It went and touched the resistance, then came back and tested the support line, and finally started flying. Now we are going to use this area because it's already out. We're going to use 42 cents, and of course we will be aiming for 52 cents. This is something that I talked about last time in my video as well. It is still same old. As long as 42 cents is intact, the only thing that you can expect from XLM is to go up towards 52 cents. If 52 cents looks like a stretch, you can pretty much talk about 50 cents, which is a psychological area. But we would be expecting it to go up. We can only start getting bearish about XLM if it loses the area of 42 cents. If 42 cents is intact, I think that I'll pretty much always look towards the upward targets, and it's not just 52 cents. I think that it will go and create new all-time high by going above 2024 prices, not the 2021. Once we break 2024 record, then we will start talking about $1 and stuff like that. And that's pretty much it with XLM. If $42 continues to hold, not $42, 42 cents continues to hold, we would only expect upward journey. If it goes below 42 cents for more than 2 days, then I would start getting bearish, and I'll let you know what to do. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.